Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get the gloop, or the part that I don't like of this packet of beans out. So first off, just get yourself a good old, what's the word, can opener, that's the one. Does it have to be this hard to remember words? Anyway, you see this dark stuff that's on there? I don't know if it's preservatives or whatever it is, but man, does it taste rank. So I don't do well with that stuff, and I try to just dump it out. And then what I'll do is put a bunch of water in there. You keep dumping stuff out. And if that doesn't work, just be careful not to get rid of any of the good beans, because the beans themselves are good. I just don't like this goop. Just don't like the goop. That's why I like the other beans, because they don't, I think they're the pinto beans, I don't know. Don't have the can with me today. Let me get the can. So basically what I do is I keep doing that, and eventually it gets all of that disgusting goop out. Let me get the other beans that I like. Yeah, these ones, you just remove a little bit of the goop that's in this one, and you can just cook them right away, and they don't smell or taste funky. But this, you have to get rid of that goop. Dark, purplish, dark, brownish, I don't know, I can't really tell. I think it's more purple than anything else. I don't know what they put in it, but it's rank. It's rank. So yeah, after you've done all of that, then I'll use some alcohol to cook it. And today, what I'm going to do on top of that is I'm going to put my new favorite vegan cheese. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I survived the day on the vegan cheese. It did not completely kill my bowels, so I will eat it again because I like it. I like it a lot. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video where I continue doing some crazy cooking. See you soon.